Good morning students. This is 10th class math subject. Students, today we will start a new chapter number 9, matrices. This chapter is very easy and most scoring in the board examination. So let us start. First of all, what is matrix? Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of number arranged in rows and columns. Suppose here you can see in your book, here numbers are arranged 5, 1, 5, 3, 1, 2 means हमने नंबर को अरेंज किया है in this type of brackets. This is known as a matrix. ये देखो, here these are rows and these are columns. Horizontally it is rows and vertically these are columns. So plural of matrix is known as matrices, and each number is known as element. Suppose here is a matrix 5, 3, 2. So here 5 is an element, 3 is an element and 2 is also an element. So we will read elements. Here is a matrix with elements 5, 3 and 2. So, order of a matrix. Order means the order of a matrix is equal to number of rows, then crossword or multiply number of columns. Suppose I have a matrix. Here I am writing this type of bracket 5, 3, 2. Another elements are 6, 9 and 4. So first of all we will write the number of rows. कितनी rows हैं? इस साइड को देखो, 1 row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, and how many columns are there? This. So we will write order here at the end. Number of rows are 3 and here is multiply sign 2 columns. So this will read कि these here 3 rows and 2 columns are there. This is the order of a matrix. Order of a matrix. I think this is clear to you. Then elements of a matrix. Each entry in the matrix is known as element. This already I told you. If suppose you have here, from the order we can take the judgment कि how many elements are there. So here number of rows are 3 and columns are 2. 3 2s are 6. Means 6. Here will be 6 elements. If your matrix is order of 4 into 2, so here will be 8 elements. Means उस matrix में 4 rows होंगी, 2 कॉलम्स बनेंगे, तो उसमें टोटल एलिमेंट्स कितने होंगे? 8 होंगे. देन टाइप्स ऑफ मैट्रिसेस. टाइप्स ऑफ मैट्रिसेस. फर्स्ट टाइप इज रो मैट्रिक्स. फर्स्ट इज रो मैट्रिक्स. अ मैट्रिक्स विच हैज ओनली वन रो, जिसमें एक ही रो. सपोज 3, 4, 5 इस तरह का इस टाइप का मैट्रिक्स होगा रो मैट्रिक्स. कॉलम में सेकंड टाइप इज कॉलम में यू कैन जज बाय योर सेल्फ. उसमें एक ही कॉलम होगा 3, 4 एंड 5. सो इसका ऑर्डर आ जाए 3 रोज हैं, कॉलम इज 1 और हेयर row is 1, columns are 3. This can consider as first column, second column and third column. Then third type is square matrix. Square matrix. Square matrix में राजे जितनी number of rows होंगी उतने ही number of column होगी. Suppose यहाँ पे कोई element है 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So देखो, here are 3 numbers of rows and 3 numbers of column, 3 by 3. So this is known as square matrix. I think concept is clear to you. Then fourth type is rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix. In the rectangular matrix, number of rows and number of columns will be different. Here in your book it is given a matrix in which number of rows are not equal to the number of columns. For example, here 2 rows are there and columns are 3. So these are different. Then fifth one is zero or null matrix. Null means nothing. If nothing is there in your matrix, then or 0 as elements. Here you can see 0 0, column wise 0, then rows are 0 and columns are also 0. This matrix is known as zero matrix. I think this is clear to you. Then sixth type of matrix is diagonal matrix. A square matrix which has all its elements 0 except those leading diagonal is a diagonal matrix. देखो इसमें 5 0 0 0 -2 0 0 0 3 इसमें सारी एलिमेंट्स 0 है. बट अगर इफ यू फॉलो डायगनली, ये डायगनल बन गया, ये 0 नहीं है, तो this type of matrix is known as diagonal matrix. Then third one is unit. It is same like diagonal matrix, but वहाँ पे elements होंगे 1 1 1. So here other elements are 0. Only diagonal wise the elements is 1. So this type of matrix is known as identity matrix. So students, revise up to here. This is all for you for today only. Next time I will go through the exercise. Thank you and have a nice day.